好，就这个哈。
是。
好，谢谢啊。
慢点啊。
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel again. This is Lee. I bought a car light and I'm gonna replace the car light by myself. Firstly, how to prepare some tools. 你洗吧，我自己去吧。你洗吧，我。I'm almost forgot to tell you I got a new job, and firstly how to close all of my cases previously, and then I go to a new job. Now this light is broken, and I guess I have to move the wheel, and now I have to move this part clearly. And I tear down the things on this part. This part is reachable. The plastic nail. I don't know this支到哪儿。
那下边没有钉上吗？
得支到一个铁上。为什么？这挺麻烦的。这修车的有那个千斤顶，咔一下就支起来了。这是咱们这整的。好，然后咱现在开始把这个整了，那个应该差不多。
那个在哪儿了？
我也不知道。这是欧司朗的。真不好整，你看人家这天天整啊，不，好像没什么技术含量，自己整，准备工作啥差一点都是差不少的。I can only depend on my feeling. I can see nothing. Beautiful, very beautiful.
可以。
那我现在就拧了啊。If I go to a repair store, they will charge me about $10. So I'm going to save $10.
再亮一下。
I'm very happy because we replaced the light by ourselves. And my wife has very great credit because she got me this panel. I can tear down the light by ourselves. Okay, it's time to put them back. If I knew I should take the wheel down, I will never do it by myself. the last one. I wish I had a Schwarzenegger's body, so I could put the nails up very easy. This be ensuring to check my work.